America's Diesel Podcast.
Brought to you by Diesel Power Products.
America's Diesel Superstore.
No salesmen,
Just enthusiasts.
dieselpowerproducts.com.
Your number one source for all things diesel. What's up, guys? Ben and Tyler here. We got episode 100 coming up.
100.
100, super stoked. We talked about a lot of random stuff. We've got some conspiracy theories.
We got conspiracy theories. I've got random stuff that I Googled. Previous episodes. We've got a giveaway, which our giveaway is, okay, so we've got we talk about this conspiracy theory about Rudolph Diesel, okay?
Mr. Diesel
Mr.
Bro number
Diesel
one himself.
Okay? He mysteriously disappeared, okay? Got on a ship from England. Or no, from Germany. Was it Germany to England? Yeah, Germany to England. He got on the ship, but he never got off. Boom. So let's hear your conspiracy theories on what happened to him. And whoever has the best one gets a $100 gift card to Diesel Power Products.
Yeah, best one in the comments gets $100. We reminisce on some of our older topics. We talk about some new topics we have coming up.
We're gonna be giving away maybe some cups, maybe some shirts and some stickers to people just randomly commenting.
Yeah.
If we like your comment, we're just gonna maybe send you some stuff.
I know I dropped an F-bomb or two. Pretty
Might
stoked
have.
on that.
Yeah.
So it's a revelation that we have going on here.
Yeah.
Episode 100. Make sure to tune in, check it out. We're going to be airing that live on YouTube. We're going to be premiering it live on YouTube.
September 10th, 2 p.m. Pacific time.
Yeah, that was your job previously. Yeah, you nailed it.
Yeah.
And me and Tyler are going to be live in the comments with our barley juice and our cups. We're going to be responding to everything you guys talk about. We're going to be answering questions and just having a good old time.
Yeah, make it a celebration.
It's a celebration. So make sure and tune in. And when?
September 10th, 2 p.m. Pacific time.
Where?
YouTube. America's Diesel Podcast.
Incorrect.
No.
Diesel Power Products on YouTube. We don't have our own YouTube channel. We're not that cool
Gotcha.
yet.
All right.
Yeah, Diesel Power Products on our YouTube channel. Make sure and check us out. It's going to be, ring the bell, do other kind of stuff. We'll see you there.
See ya. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.